Well, we're off for a walk. Not sure the date.
It's Friday. It's not.
It's Thursday. It's Thursday, probably about the 20th. 20th or 21st
It's the 21st
of July, we think.
After much argument.
And it's definitely Thursday, I know that.
It's Claire's birthday yesterday.
Yeah. And we're off for a walk. And, God, it looks filthy, the canal, doesn't it? Don't look very healthy.
No, our birthday was Tuesday. It's the 22nd.
Hang on, will you say that again?
It's the 22nd.
Right.
I think.
And it's 2021, we got that right, of July. And we're walking along. Yeah, we're walking along to Foxton Inclined Plane. We're sort of parked in the village of Foxton. And we're going for a donder.
It's cold.
It's not cold.
Oh, it does.
Just because we're under the bridge.
Cold.
There's quite a few boats today. Yeah, the water's not very healthy looking, is it? Gosh, how many is there? That belongs to that house. There's always a boat there of some sort. Hang on. There's looks like a wide beam down here. It's the first time I've seen a wide beam. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a lot, isn't it?
I think there's 2 this time we looked down.
2, yeah?
Lord,
Yeah. And there's what, 1 or 2 going up the staircase. Yeah. This is a wide beam one. It's the first one we've seen on the canal, especially around here. Well, it must have done to get here. Oh, there's the alpacas down there. I think there's 4. Yeah, they're nice. Now here we have the footbridge and the canal basin. And it's what, 10 o'clock, do you think?
I don't know if it's even 10 o'clock.
No, I'm not sure. Look, canoes.
10 o'clock.
Canoes down, isn't it? Perhaps that's a new thing they're doing. They're doing boat hire, aren't they? Which way? Just go around the basin. Oh yeah. What, at the top?
Yeah.
No, they'll have to wait if they're not, won't they?
I think if this one's on there.
Yeah, probably. I'll do that. Might be there.
Morning, both.
Morning.
I'm welcome with the camera.
Hey?
Come on Crime Watch now, I'm upset.
No,
That's a GoPro, is it?
no, it's Chinese coffee.
I had a GoPro, when I got my 20-year service, they said I'd have a camera. When it come, it was big as that. I thought, what am I supposed to do with it?
I had to switch the camera off. People are having breakfast. But, plenty of activity going on. Boats coming down or up. That's where that outlet was filming.
Yeah.
And it was shooting out there like I don't know what. Is that the Canal River Trust people again? Yeah, it's absolutely pouring out of there. Now with the top lock at Foxton, we've both got coffees. I've got a Cornish pasty, and that's the top lock just here. Number 8 and 9 are the gate numbers. We've moved away from where the White House is, top lock, and we've come this way because there's a bench here in the shade because it's so damn hot. Just gonna have a quick film over here. James relaxing in the shade. Can't beat running water. And there's actually fish down here. Can you see them? I don't know whether the camera will pick it up. Loads of tiddlers. Right, let's get in the shade. Too blooming hot to be outside. Found a good spot there. Nice and in the shade. Now we'll go to the viewing point. That might be about it. Do you think that boat's a fixer-upper? Yeah, it holds water, so it probably would sink. Just standing near the museum now. Oh, there's another seat here, look. Do you want to sit down again? Yeah. Oh, I'll sit down again. There's no rush to get back, is there? I can watch people all day. A little bit of nudging and bumping going on. That one isn't, but that one is. Yeah. Diamond Resorts International.
They just get a start, don't they?
Yeah, they're probably all set out the side. It's like the one we hired to Llangollen. She's got an umbrella up. You'd soon burn this weather, wouldn't you?
Day was coming up at the bottom. And
yeah.
We walked up, so that's a good while ago.
Yeah.
We only got this far.
Yeah.
And to wait.
Yeah. Well, the chap did tell me there was 2 locks here at one point. Yeah. There was another one here. Yeah. But it's too shallow, he was saying, this side. Yeah. Mm. Does he? Well, have a good day for it, won't he? Yeah. Yeah, well, he will, won't he? Yeah. It's flowing, isn't it? I could do with that in America. There's the pub. We could have had a beer, couldn't we? I mean you could have a cold drink. That'll... Talking about the stones wrecking the cars.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is nice, walking along here in the shade, isn't it?
The shade's fine.
I thought it'd be busier than this along here.
Well, it's still quite early, isn't it?
Yeah,
And it's getting hot. So
yeah. Look, on the path,
what is that?
a rat.
Oh, nice. So it's around a waterfall?
Could be a waterfall.
I think it's a waterfall actually. I think that's stand high above the floor.
Yeah. Perhaps it's got short legs, that one. It's a rat.
Stand our house, stand high above the floor.
A bit quicker than that as well. There's like a path there,
Yeah.
trail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it was alright, more think about it, wasn't it? The place wasn't pointed, was it?
No.
It was a round, flat round, but it's not. It just seemed
Well, you think it is?
yeah, I think it was.
I think it's a rat.
No, I don't know. I think